but there's breaking news, and very disturbing breaking news that's coming in from the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam. We are told, unfortunately, 3 pilgrims have just lost their lives in a stampede. These are images that we are getting to you, very, very disturbing images. We urge viewer discretion. Images that are coming in from the Tirupati temple, where thousands of devotees were queuing up for tickets, for tokens, for Tirupati Darshan. They were queuing up since very early this morning at the Vaikunt Dwar to get their Darshan tokens or Darshan tickets. And just a short while back, we are told that devotees were permitted to queue up also at the Bairagi Pattida Park. And this is where, watch these images, this is where the security, the administration and the police were found to be woefully inadequate. And unfortunately, look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. There are little children that parents have had to take them on their shoulders as they negotiate this massive, massive crowd that came to the temple. And unfortunately, we are told at least 3 people have lost their lives. The unfortunate aspect is that the toll could go higher. There were close to 4,000 people in this restricted area. We are told 1 woman died at the stampede that took place at the Srinivasam. We are told that 3 people have been declared dead, and this is because they rushed for the token collection. And as this information filters in, 1 more death has sadly been confirmed. 4 people have lost their lives. I want to cut across to India Today's Apurva, who joins us for more on this. Apurva, very, very heartbreaking, very disturbing. What more do we know?
Well, Gaurav, in fact, it is unfortunate that this incident had taken place there at Tirumala. In fact, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, had just had a word with TTD officials as well. And what we are knowing is that at this point, 4 people have lost their lives in this stampede. Remember, tomorrow, starting from, tomorrow, there is special darshans that have been given. Granted that this is the Vaikuntha Dwara darshan, that is a special darshan there for the public, and it's open for all the common public, specifically for the next 5 to 6 days, and for which several devotees had thronged there at Tirumala, waiting to go and get the token for the darshan there, which is where this accident had taken place. In fact, we're also getting to learn that several other people have also been grievously injured in this stampede situation that had taken place. Remember, this special darshan that will be going on for the next 4 to 5 days sees several common public there who are waiting to go and catch a darshan of Lord Venkateshwara, and that's what we are seeing, which erupted in a stampede kind of a situation as well. 4 people so far have been declared dead in this unfortunate incident, apart from several others who we are told are grievously injured. Rescue is also had taken place there. Remember, thousands of people gathered at Tirumala every day for darshan, and especially with this special darshan that Tirumala had announced just a short while back, tokens were available for all those devotees.
But Apurva, explain this to our viewers if you've been able to get more information from the administration. Usually it happens that there are queues, but there is also only a set number of people who are permitted to come. The district administration is supposed to ensure, the police are supposed to ensure, and the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam is supposed to ensure that it's an orderly crowd. What went wrong here? Was the administration lax?
Well, what we do know is that there are several, token counters that are being kept here, and this specific one, Bairagi Pattida Park, this specific one had, in fact, seen several people who had gathered there. These tokens, yes, on a regular basis, they are issued, in a timely manner to a specific number of people, be it VIP darshan, be it special darshan, rupees 300 darshan, or the free entry darshan. Several darshans that are there, and each of them have a time and space constraint for how many the devotees are allowed at a particular timing. But what happens in these next couple of days is that there is a lot of people who simultaneously can be allowed in these darshan that will go on for the next 4 to 5 days. And not only that, in these next 4 to 5 days, all the special darshans there, be it the VIP darshan, all of them are also cancelled to ensure that all of these publics will go ahead as a common public as well. And that's what were the recent rules that had been issued in the Tirumala, the recent notice that had come out. And in this announcement that had been made, several people had thronged to Tirumala, where they were trying to get their hands on the tickets there that were being issued, the tokens rather that were being issued. And in this particular segment that we see, that is where this kind of a stampede like situation happened, because these people, these devotees, were made to stand in long queues for quite a large amount of time, which led to,
and we
you know,
notice,
when the
Apurva,
gates opened up.
absolutely, Apurva, when we look at these images, the crowd that's there, it's in very large numbers. The police are woefully inadequate. We can see some police officers, some police personnel, but clearly not enough to control the crowds. And we are now being told Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has also expressed shock over the deaths of 4 devotees at the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam. In fact, the Chief Minister said he's very disturbed by the incident. The Chief Minister has spoken to officials about the treatment for the injured. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has expressed deep shock over the deaths of 4 devotees in the stampede that took place near the Vishnu Nivasam in Tirupati. And this was a crowd that had assembled for darshan tokens at the Tirumala Shivari Vaikunta Dwar. We're also being told that the Chief Minister has held a meeting with the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam chief to get an assessment of relief measures that are being undertaken. Apurva, we are told that the apprehension is, unfortunately, the toll could go higher because several people were in the stampede and rushed to hospital, and some are critical.
Well, that's right. You know, what we are learning is the death toll, unfortunately, has risen now to more people. So 6 people who have been confirmed dead in this stampede situation. Unfortunately, several others have also been grievously injured in this incident. Remember, this took place just a short while back, roughly around 10 p.m. late this night. This stampede took place, and in the rush there, you can also see how many devotees had thronged to go and try and get their hands on these tokens there, so that they can go ahead and get a darshan there between these auspicious days. The next couple of days are quite auspicious there in Tirumala, which is why the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam had made provisions to ensure that public can get access to these tokens. There were tokens available online, apart from the tokens that are available that people can go and get at the counters, and which is where in one such counter that you see right here today, this incident had taken place. Unfortunately, we do know as of now that 6 people have been declared dead, and several others who have been shifted to nearby hospitals for treatment. Gaurav.
6 people have sadly lost their lives. Several people are injured. They've been rushed to hospital. These are pictures that we are getting to you from the Tirupati temple, where a large number of people, and some of the initial figures seem to indicate that there were more than 4,000 devotees who had assembled wanting tokens for darshan early tomorrow morning from the Vaikunt Dwar. And these darshans were, this darshan was for the common devotees, no VIP darshans, but there were multiple counters, and yet at one counter we are told that there was a stampede. Where did the administration of the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam go wrong in crowd control? Given the number of devotees who come here every day and through the year, Apurva, it is very clear that administration should know better. The Devasthanam administration and the government in temples, and especially on big religious occasions, whether it's the superintendent of police, the district magistrate, they're all tasked to ensure that there is effective crowd control and crowd management including ensuring that there are adequate numbers. Apurva, I want to understand from you, on major days, there is a standard operating procedure that's supposed to kick in. And this is across the country. If crowds are to be increased, the district magistrate, the superintendent of police, senior officers, they're supposed to be there and ensure there's effective crowd management. Do we know, were they taken aback? Were they not aware that 4,000 plus devotees could be there? Or were they lax since their focus was elsewhere?
Well, we're still waiting to see, we're still waiting to know what had gone wrong. In fact, remember these tokens that were given, there was a guideline that had been set up to ensure that this kind of an incident does not take place. And unfortunately, we see that there had... were there any kind of lapses? If so, what were the lapses that had occurred? Why weren't there adequate police personnel that had been deployed? That is also to be seen. We do know that especially during this ticket counter areas,
Okay.
there are several Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam staff that have been deployed there to ensure that there is people are allowed to move in a very orderly manner. There are staff there of the Tirumala
Yes.
Tirupati Devasthanam who are
And
ensuring
clearly
that
they
a
were
lot of
found
people
wanting,
there,
and at least 6 people have lost their lives.